How to redeem Hulu from T-Mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. T-Mobile offers free Hulu subscriptions with full seasons of exclusive series plus current episodes, Hulu originals, hit movies, and more. For 12 months, you will receive Hulu subscriptions for free. After 12 months, consumer actions is required to continue complimentary subscription. If no action is taken, subscription auto-renews at $7.99 per month. Now, in order to redeem your Hulu deal, you want to head over to the promotion site. You can do that by tapping on this link. Now, you want to go through all of this and then tap on the continue option below. Now select your preferred option. Over here, you want to enter your T-Mobile number or email ID and continue logging into your account. Now tap on the next option. Once you have been logged in, you want to read the terms and conditions and enter your personal information and click submit. After a successful submission, you will be directed to Hulu to redeem your offer. You must redeem it within 30 days of receiving your redemption code. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.